What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. For those who are new, my name is Tommy McGrath, and for those who are returning, welcome back. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a pork shoulder today in the smoker. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you should know that every single weekend we're either smoking ribs, pork shoulders, filet mignons, chicken wings, whatever it may be. So I kind of figured incorporate in the vlogs. I used to film cooking videos all the time back in the day. Kind of got away from it, and we're kind of in this period where we're in between the fall fishing and ice, and the fishing is just not that good. It should heat up here soon, but like I said, I want to start incorporating these vlogs / cooking videos into the channel just because I think they're fun to do. I got Mike here right now, and we are going to start the pork shoulder. She a big fat girl. 8.5 pounder.
What's up, guys? We're gonna get started on this video. We're gonna probably not swear, but we're gonna get started on this pork shoulder. We got some 2 rubs today. We're gonna hit it up with some Blues Hog. Some of you guys are probably familiar with that. It's good shit. And then we got some Meat Church Honey Hog Hot. So we're gonna try these 2 out and see how it turns out. But first, we're gonna kind of start prepping the meat here so we can get that seasoned pretty good. But got another 8 to 9 hours, so we're eating this guy, and that's it.
A long, slow process.
Yeah. Let's go on the meat so we can get this rub in here, penetrate the meat a little better. Everyone likes a little meat penetration, so just gonna get started on that. Then we're pretty much just gonna do little 1-inch dices here. Then we're gonna come across. Probably wanna go 1/2 inch down. And then we're gonna come across the other way here. Make a little crisscross pattern.
I think that might be a little bit more than 1/2 inch.
Yeah, you know, learning. Make sure you get your fingers in there and your cuts nice and deep. Like, you can use 2 if you want, but I like to use 1. Just want to make sure you get this coated pretty good, because this is what's going to make the seasoning stick. Some guys don't use binder, but in this house we do. Okay, then we're going to come back and hit it with some hot sauce.
You know what that sounds like?
That's what good sounds like.
Come back with a little bit of hot sauce. Oh, went a little far. Same thing as before, just covering all the meat, getting in all the crevices. What? It's just a cooking show, be professional. Okay, it's good enough for me. All right, let's be real liberal with the seasoning here. You can never have too much, so we're gonna do a base layer of this honey hog. Just get it on there. I'm gonna make sure we're gonna get all the sides.
All right, guys, when Mike finishes up seasoning the pork shoulder, I'm gonna come out here and get the smoker actually started. I need to blow out all these leaves out here, so I apologize for the mess. And it is not plugged in. Some good old pork. College football going, some beers going with the boys. If you guys didn't watch my previous video, we got the new family member, Lambo. All right, so I'm gonna turn the smoker up to 250 for now. Get this going, make sure it's filled with pellets. I'll have to top that off. We're using the Signature Traeger. This is Traeger smoker, wood pellet grill. All right, we'll go back in, checking out Mike. But now we got the smoker going. Damn, what kind of cooking show is this?
It's gonna be good.
The leaf blower was dead.
So clean out here.
Look at this. Huge trees. Directly on the grates.
Okay.
At 250 right now. Damn.
All right, so we put this on at 250 here. We're gonna close the lid here. We're gonna let it go for a couple hours. So you wanna make sure you're getting that nice bark on the outside before you do anything, any spritzing or anything like that. We're gonna let it probably go for 3 hours. We'll come back, check it, see what the temp is, see if it needs some spritzing with some apple juice, and then we'll go from there and we'll update you guys.
All right, well, we forgot some key ingredients, so now we're gonna have to shoot to the store. We have no barbecue sauce, but we do, but it's not a lot, and we also have no buns for the pork sandwiches. So the pork's on at 250. Like Mike says, it'll be on for a few hours, but we're gonna shoot to the store, shoot to Ace, and then the Jewel. See you there. Necklace, light up bells. No, but that's what you're worth, $7.
I'm probably gonna pick up 2 because I don't wanna. I'm gonna pick up this.
Dude, they sell this shit by the jug.
They sell bigger jugs than that too. Go with Big Mo. Yeah, this looks too thick.
What do you have there?
This
Brax Ryan.
it's a pretty famous Kansas City barbecue sauce. Apparently, I've never had it, but let's go with some Cosmos. I'm gonna pick up this honey jalapeno.
Welcome.
Damn, Mike, what a bargain deal.
Vans are on sale.
$4.99.
Alright, pay for this shit.
Rolls a cinematic B-roll of you driving.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again.
Little Cosmos, honey jalapeno.
Yeah, that's the thick shit.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, it might be good mixed in. I don't know, it's just super strong.
Oh, dude, that one blows that one out of the water. Solid, too much seasoning. This would be good, but Brax Ryan f***ed it up.
Oh, we're back.
What you gotta say?
We're back.
Come check out the pork shoulder.
We're smoking.
Check out the porch. This is terrible to do.
Ooh.
We got it all cleaned up. Looked like shit out here. All right, Mike, what do you got?
It's been about 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 45 minutes in the first peak.
Some nice bark forming.
Probably let this go for another 30 minutes. We'll come back, do a little spritz job. All right, so we got an internal temp of 135. We're looking for a target of 165 before we wrap it, but of course we're gonna take a look and see how it's doing. Probably another 30 minutes though. We're gonna start spritzing in with some apple, and yeah, we'll check back in later. All right, guys, we just pulled our pork shoulder off the grill. We got an internal temp of 165, and everything's looking like it's rendering really good. We got it in a pan right now. We got some apple juice on the bottom, some butter, just a little sprinkle of seasoning, and then we also added a little bit of the jalapeno juice on top. This is a great flavor to add on top of it. You can really taste it in the end. We're about to wrap this, and then we're gonna put it back on the grill at 250 until it gets about 200, 203 degrees. And then we'll let it rest a little bit, and then we'll show you the update after that. We got the fat rendered. So this is gonna seal in all the moisture, keep all that flavor intact for us. You can leave it unwrapped, you don't have to put it in a pan, but this really expedites the process here. That way you're not waiting around 10 hours for this thing to cook through. And you wanna put it back on the smoker until we get another internal temp of 203.
What do you think?
Looks delicious, can't wait to eat.
What are you guys doing?
Cheers. Fire table. Fire in the hole.
Sue, this might be the first video you've ever been in. How
I
do you
think
feel?
it is. Hi, everyone.
This is Sue, Meg's mom.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously. We're going to start burning some leaves. In the fire table.
What's happening? All right. Finally hit that internal temp of 203. We're gonna take this bad boy off. I'm gonna set it to the side here, close the grill up, put it in shutdown mode here. And we're gonna let this rest for 30 minutes to about an hour, probably 30 minutes because we're all kind of hungry, so.
Fire!
What's going on?
What would you think was happening?
Yeah!
Smells good.
Red Bulls just scored.
Woo!
What do you want me to do?
Looking like a clown. Never mind.
Oh, that's hot.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's so good.
It's beautiful. Look at that. Right off the bone. Clean as a whistle.
Watering at the mouth.
So hungry.